Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about the Dell patch. A few times we talked about Microsoft saying that the Dell patch is actually installing on Windows 11 PCs on Windows updates that have the switch that turns on get the latest updates. And this is the little switch get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Now, I had kind of seen that some people said, well, I didn't have that on. So now we got confirmation from a lot of people here on the channel that that was off, and I have it. So, we talk about installing useless things. Then Microsoft probably must have made some kind of weird mistake in trying to push this update because it's, from what I see, pretty much going everywhere. And it is actually really just for Dell. So kind of interesting, especially, usually a lot of the updates that just say update doesn't say a cumulative update. It doesn't say anything. It just says update. Usually don't really push the build version higher most of the time. And this one did. So it, in essence, is a cumulative update, which might explain why everybody is getting it, or pretty much most people are getting it. KB 5121767. So I think that's more on the part of Microsoft that just pushed it in a way that everybody's getting it, even if you don't need it. Now, what the good news about it is that most people everybody that actually got it, all mentioned that they haven't seen any effect of anything wrong with this update being pushed out. But still, when an update is for a specific machine, it kind of would be interesting that it is pushed to only the specific machines that need it, not everybody around. It's just kind of curious. So I don't know if Microsoft will ever say something else or mention something else about this update, because I think a lot of people are like, well, I don't have a Dell PC and I'm getting it, so what gives? It's kind of interesting. The other thing I wanted to mention is how the Windows updates this month are going surprisingly well when you consider that it was a whopper of a update that basically gave us a fix for 570 security flaws. And that's something else that they actually were talking about, because the AI is not only detecting the flaws, but they're using AI to actually create the fix, that this could actually improve Windows updates a lot by making much better updates that won't break anything or do something that shouldn't be. So, anyways, it's kind of interesting to see all of this. And, you got an update, which, if you don't have a Dell computer, you got an update which is not for you, but it's pushed to everyone from what it seems here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.